This is my review of the Mini Q9 dashcam. It includes all these accessories, which I'll cover at the end of this video. More in-depth videos on menu settings, installation, and parking mode are on my BCHobbyist channel. The Q9 is full of surprises. Let's view some footage. The Mini Q9 DVR dashcam has a unique design, allowing 330-degree lens rotation. The maximum resolution is 2304 by 1296 at 30 frames per second, with 16 megabits per second data rate. It also supports 1080p and 720p resolution. The windshield mounting bracket is side loading and locks in place with a fragile T-clip on the side. I suggest the manufacturer redesign the mount by adding two thicker clips to improve stability. See my Q9 mount modification video for details. One side has the micro SD card slot and micro USB port for optional rear camera. The Q9 supports up to 64 GB memory cards. The big surprise is the OBD power connector for easy hidden parking mode support. It works on all 2005 and newer vehicles, and a great way to power your dashcam. The standard car socket adapter is also supplied, along with a hardwire kit for continuous parking power or ignition switch off control. The long 3.5 meter power cable includes the 5-volt power regulator and the GPS unit. The cable ends use the BMW connectors. On the workbench will power up using the socket adapter. Press the large power button to stop recording. Then press and hold the upper button until the menu appears. This dashcam has the original version 1 firmware loaded. Begin by formatting the microSD card. Then set your time zone. Press and hold the up button to exit the menu. Once you connect the OBD plug under the dash, you're good to go. All menu settings are explained in the next video. The red blinking LED indicates recording in progress. Solid green indicates GPS is connected. The Q9's easy OBD power option and rotating lens make this inexpensive DVR dashcam a great choice. Thank you for watching.